Land use control is a term that broadly describes any legal restrictions controlling how a piece of land may be used. Covenants, conditions, and restrictions, or CC&Rs, are an important land use control you'll likely encounter in the rental industry when working with homeowners associations and common interest properties. These are formally recorded private limitations on the use, appearance, and maintenance of real property, as opposed to public or municipal limitations. Zoning is another term you'll likely come across, which refers to municipal or local laws. Zoning regulates how land can be used and developed. Building codes are set by local and state governments and establish minimum construction standards on new buildings. These can include setting structural load standards, acceptable materials, windows and ventilation requirements, and fire protection. There's a lot of interesting material to cover here, so when you're ready, let's begin.